Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can change your currency on Fiverr. Maybe you want to change your currency on Fiverr so that it will be easier for you, but you don't know how to do it. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can change your currency on Fiverr. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you'll see these icons below. Home button icon, email icon, search icon, list icon, and then the profile icon. In this tutorial, simply tap on this profile icon. And then in here, under the settings, you'll see this preferences. Simply tap on this preferences. And under the preferences, you'll see this notification, security, language, and currency. To change the currency, simply tap on the currency. And then in here, you have the currencies. You have this NZD, AUD, and many more. For example, you want to change your currency into Philippine currency. Simply tap on this PHP. And now you change your currency. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change your money currency on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change your currency on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.